Hi, there is another operator timesheet entry with targets. In simpliRP ERP, go to Operator Daily Report Entry. In the top, there is a link for timesheet with target. Here, you can fill in the item code, operation name, date, time, idle time, machine name, operator name, target quantity, OK quantity, rejection quantity, any reason and remarks. You can also enter multiple timesheets of different operators. Then please click Update. In the top, there is a link for timesheet report. Here you can see the detailed report. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your production department. Thank you.